The Data Analyze icon inside Excel is now integrated with Copilot. We can use natural language to ask questions about our data. Let's take a look. I'm inside Excel, I've got a table of data. I'll click on the Analyze Data icon, and here I can ask a question. There's a few suggestions here, which is helpful, and even when I click to type a question, it gives me more suggestions here. I'd like to ask, what are the top 5 products by sales? And then it asks me, do you want sales quantity or sales amounts? I'll choose sales amounts, and here it is. And if I'd like to, I can insert this into my data, which will be a pivot table. Great, let's try something else. Now I'd like to create a bar chart based on sales by region. There it is. Let's insert that in. Easy to use natural language queries has just made Excel so accessible to everyone.